What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tabletop pellet grills in 2022. There's a lot of choice for tabletop pellet grills. If you love to barbecue but don't have a ton of space in your backyard for outdoor cooking, we've got great news. The list of the best tabletop pellet grill is here to make all your summer dreams come true. Get the smoky flavor and crispy texture that comes with smoking ribs or chicken on an open grill, without having to spend hours tending to it and cleaning up afterward. Thanks to its digital controls and easy cleanup features, these small appliances can give you restaurant quality results right at home. Tabletop grills bring the versatility and utility of a full-size barbecue to your table. They're made to suit any cooking surface that's big enough and stable enough to support the weight, which isn't complicated given how small these units are. Plus, they're super portable grills, so you can take them anywhere from tailgating parties, camping trips, or even picnics in the park, with an extension cord. So get ready for some delicious smoked meat this season with one of these top picks. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Traeger Grills Ranger. Traeger's Ranger is the overall best tabletop grill available on the market. If you're looking for a tabletop barbecue with all the features of a quality smokehouse, look no further. It is suitable for travelers, especially for those who travel in RVs. It has a 184 square inch cooking surface so that you can feed the whole family. This Traeger grill is rugged stainless steel and has an intricate lid design with snaps to keep it safe during transport. In addition, it offers features that make other Traeger models, such as a digital arc controller that allows you to manage the temperature and maintain a consistent temperature. Keep Warm mode keeps food warm at a steady temperature until you're ready to eat it. Convenience redefined. The Traeger Ranger is the perfect grill for anyone who loves to cook with lots of conveniences. It's easy to use and has features that make it even more versatile, so you can have your favorite foods whenever you want them. You can easily switch from smoking low and slow to searing at high heat without adjusting anything on the grill itself. Plus, it looks great in any backyard. This smoker is made with premium materials, like stainless steel and cast iron, which means this will last a lifetime of grilling adventures. This is one of those products where customers say things like, "I wish I had bought this sooner," or "This product changed my life," because they love how much easier their lives are now that they have it in their homes. If you want something that will make grilling simple, convenient, and delicious. Digital Arc Controller. Traeger's new Digital Arc Controller allows you to manage grill temperatures more precisely. As a result, grillers of all skill levels can produce precisely cooked meals using 5-degree increments and a temperature probe. You can also utilize the control panel to use the grill as a warming tray, keeping the meal warm until you're ready to serve it. 184 square inches of cooking area. It provides you with 184 square inches of cooking area. You can grill steaks, prepare colorful kebabs, and serve your favorite breakfasts, lunches, and feasts on a spacious patio. The cast iron grill is not only excellent to cook on, but it's also simple to clean. After cooking on this griddle, you might not want to return to a fire pit or propane-fueled grill. Specification and features. Brand: Traeger. Model name: Ranger Grill. Power source: wood pellet. Color: black. Outer material: iron. Item weight: 60 pounds. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 20 by 21 by 13 inches. Inner material: stainless steel. Fuel type: wood pellet. Reasons to buy: smoker workhorse. Delivers tasty, smoky cuisine on the go. Precise temperature controls. Keep Warm mode. Timer for cooking. Total cooking area of 184 square inches. Reasons to avoid: rubber feet design needs improvements, in our opinion. For campers or anybody wishing to add wood-fired smokiness to their outdoor grilled dishes, the Traeger Ranger is a fantastic choice. It's not exactly light at 60 pounds, but it's small enough to fit in the trunk of your car. Number 2. Smoke AS350 Portable Wood. The Smoke Pellet Grill is a new, portable pellet grill with many of the features of higher-priced brand-name models, but at a significantly lower cost when you factor in their accessories. The AS300 is well made, giving it a solid and long-lasting solution for anyone seeking a tabletop pellet smoker. It just takes only seconds to set up. The PID temperature controller maintains a steady temperature, and the color LED panel with attached meat probe makes it simple to use. In addition, it has a 256 square inch cooking area and a 4-pound pellet hopper capacity. Grilling performance. One of the fascinating features of the Smoke AS300, from our perspective, is that it can also grill over an open flame. You heard me right. When you want to cook a steak, you don't just turn the heat up to the highest setting and hope for the best. Instead, a perforated heat deflector plate may be slid open to switch to direct flame mode. So, while the AS300's maximum temperature is 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can grill much hotter over a real, wood-fired flame. And the outcomes are just what you'd expect: crispy skin, moist interior, and enough flavor without being ruined by propane or charcoal. The AS300 even heats up to its maximum temperature faster than you'd expect. 256 square inches of cooking space. It features a generous 256 square inches of cooking space, thanks to the double rack design. To get an idea, the AS300 can hold around 8 burgers, 1 decent chicken, or 1 rack of ribs, cut into halves. So, depending on appetite, you can feed up to a family of 4. The pellet hopper has a capacity of 4 pounds. And, while it doesn't quite measure up to full-sized portable pellet smokers, it's perfect for a briefcase design. Specification and features. Brand, A-Smoke. Model name, AS350 Burgundy Red. Power source, wood pellet. Color, burgundy red. Outer material, stainless steel. Item weight, 55 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 24.4 by 17.5 by 16 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, wood pellet. Reasons to buy. Control panel with color LEDs. Built-in legs make this a sturdy piece of furniture. Cooking grates with a porcelain coating. Ample cooking space of 256 square inches, a compact 4-pound pellet hopper. Reasons to avoid. There are no timers or readiness alerts. In our opinion, the A-Smoke AS300 is a perfect choice if you're looking for a portable, tabletop pellet smoker that's reliable, easy to operate, and produces excellent results. You can smoke, bake, broil with a wide temperature range, and the ability to grill over an open, wood-fired flame. Number 3. Green Mountain Trek. This Green Mountain Pellet Grill is a family-sized digital pellet grill smoker with Wi-Fi management. It's built to go wherever you go, from its lightweight design to its various high-tech functions. This model comes with 3 power options, so you can choose the one that best suits your situation. Thanks to the Wi-Fi capability, you can still enjoy your vacation, day out, or function without having to sit and babysit the grill. In addition, it has adequate capacity to feed 4 to 6 people. Portability. Because this grill is intended to be used as a portable smoker, its primary function is to be portable and easy to use. It may not be as light as a portable barbecue, but at 57 pounds, it is one of the lightest smoker and grill combos available without a doubt. When you consider that this is a proper smoker and grill, not a half-hearted one like other portable options, it's pretty astounding. The Davy Crockett's convenience may be summed up as a portable barbecue that can transform into a dedicated grill once you arrive at your destination. Optimal fuel feeding system. The Venturi design, tiny vertical vents, used in the pellet firebox cause the airflow to spiral and transfer heat evenly around the firepot, for maximum heat dispersion. This guarantees that all of the pellets are consumed, and the amount of ash produced is minimal. This, together with the hopper's optimistic air pressure fan, creates pressure to boost circulation through the pellets, preventing burn back from the fire pit and any fires within the hopper. In addition, the chimney vent has been added to this system, allowing you to entirely modify the opening, which you can utilize to help with temperature management. Specification and features. Brand, pellet head. Material, alloy steel. Color, stainless. Item weight, 57 pounds. Frame material, alloy steel. Reasons to buy. Automatic temperature control. Top-notch customer care. Excellent temperature management. Great build quality. Reasons to avoid. Shipping needs improvement. In our opinion. If you enjoy grilled food, mainly smoked grilled cuisine, and wish you could eat it wherever you went, this Green Mountain Grill is for you. Number 4. Grilla Chimp Tailgater Bundle. The Grilla Grill's Chimp is ideal for anyone looking for a high-quality, low-cost tabletop smoker. The Chimp is exceptionally well built, with stainless steel internal components, lid, grates, and double wall insulation, especially for a portable smoker, which is when you need the most fantastic durability. 460 square inches of cooking space and a 15-pound pellet hopper give you options with the Chimp controller. For precise automatic temperature control, use the PID mode. The wide temperature range lets you cook just about any way you'd like. High quality build. Grilla Grills takes excellent pleasure in the high quality construction of their grills. It is made of heavy-duty steel with stainless steel internal components and covers. In addition, it has 3 layers of weather protection, welded seams, powder coating, and caulking. The stainless steel grates are the most durable and rust-resistant option. Grilla Grills has employed stainless steel instead of standard steel, where a pellet smoker needs it the most, ensuring that the entire device lasts longer than the competition. This includes both the cooking chamber and the hopper lids. 460 square inches of cooking area. A total of 460 square inches of cooking space is available on the Chimp. It's divided into 2 racks, with the bottom taking up 340 square inches and the top taking up only 120 square inches. When you're preparing something that requires more height, you may remove the top rack. However, throwing an extra rack of ribs or some veggies on top of the compact, portable variant truly maximizes the area. The internal blower fan performs a beautiful job of circulating the heat within, so no matter which grates you use, you'll get about the same temperature. 15-pound hopper capacity. The Chimp's hopper can contain up to 15 pounds of pellets at any given time. For a tabletop model, it's pretty generous. While it won't fit a whole 20-pound bag, it will provide you with a solid 10 to 15 hours of smoking time. That's more than enough for on-the-go smoking. And you won't have to replenish it for the majority of what you'll want to do at home. Specification and features. Brand, Grilla Grills. Power source, AC. Color, black and silver. Outer material, stainless steel. Item weight, 90 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 20 by 38 by 40 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, wood. Reasons to buy. Stainless steel internal components give extra durability. Alpha smoke controller for consistent results. Heavy-duty construction. Easy assembly. Wi-Fi controller. Reasons to avoid. Newbies may find it challenging to empty the pellet hopper. In our opinion, the Grilla Grill's Chimp is ideal for anyone, from beginners to experienced users. It has well-built stainless steel components, and a heap of valuable features like Wi-Fi, and a dual temperature controller. It's durable, easy to use, and it turns out reliably incredible results. Number 5. Cuisinart CPG 256 Portable. The Cuisinart CPG 256 is an automated grill and smoker that makes it simple to cook and smoke meat. To use it, fill the 15-pound hopper with separately available wood pellets. After that, you plug it into a standard 110 domestic outlet. Moreover, it has 256 square inches of cooking area. A built-in electric ignition mechanism comes standard on the Cuisinart CPG 256. Turn it on and adjust the digital display to the desired temperature. An automated internal auger will then transport a precisely calibrated amount of wood pellets to a dedicated fire pot beneath the main cooking area. Moreover, a small internal fan supplies oxygen to the fire and guarantees that heat and smoke rise to cook the food above it. Grilling performance. The Cuisinart CPG 256, like most wood pellet grills, is quite adaptable. It can grill, smoke, and even bake virtually competition-level barbecue. It even tastes great on pizza with a smoky flavor. You can even use it to braise meat, if you add a small pan of water. The CPG 4000, like all other wood pellet grills, does not use direct heat. This means it can cook a steak, but it won't get the sear marks you're looking for. Ease of cleaning. Cleaning the Cuisinart CPG 256 is a breeze. You may toss away the basket that holds a dripping cup, you could use a plastic cup instead. At times, it might be pretty hot, it's better to use an old soup can, if you're planning an extended smoke session, for anything like a brisket or hog shoulder. You can gently scrape down the grates, with a stiff bristles nylon grill brush, or the grates can be removed and scrubbed, if something is persistently caught. Specification and features. Brand, Cuisinart. Model name, CPG 256. Power source, wood pellet. Color, portable wood pellet grill and smoker. Item weight, 39.6 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 24.7 by 18.9 by 14.9 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, wood. Reasons to buy. Portable design. Electric ignition with digital display. LED temperature display. Lightweight. Reasons to avoid. Dripping cups are not reusable, in our opinion. This grill is simple to assemble and highly user-friendly, making it an excellent alternative for anyone who wants to try pellet cooking but is hesitant about the technology. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.